Igbo jingles with Oidia. Continuing our series on learning the greetings of Ndi Igbo. The greetings of Ndi Igbo. And then today we are learning greetings in the night. What you say to somebody before you go to sleep. And then the first one on our list is when you say Kachi bo, or you say Kachi fo. I'm gonna put Kachi bo, or you say Kachi fo. Another one you can say in the nighttime is Hie nkoma. Hie nkoma. Hie nkoma means sleep good, sleep well. Or you can as well say Rahun. Rahun nkoma. Then if you want to be direct, just like we learned in the when we did the morning greetings, you can be direct by saying Abali oma, just like we say Ututu oma. We can as well say Abali or Anyasi oma. Mobu or meaning or Anyasi oma. So this is where we are going to end today's lesson on Igbo jingles with Oidia. So before we end today's lesson, let's do a recap. Remember, we always do recap because of sensory overload. So the first one that we learned. Remember, today we'll continue. This is a continuation of the series that we had, that we are into now. So we Ekele Anyasi or Ekele Abali, meaning night greetings. So the first one is Kachi bo, or you say Kachi fo, or you say Hie nkoma, meaning sleep good. And you say Rahun nkoma, meaning sleep good as well, sleep well. Or if you want to be direct to say good night, you say Abali oma, or you say Anyasi oma. And then before we conclude today, I want to say something about this. When you see chi in Igbo, it's either they are talking about God or they are talking about the dawn of a new day. So Kachi bo, meaning let the new day see you in the next day. That is what it means. So, and that is where we are going to end our lesson today on Igbo jingles with Oidia. Don't forget to keep practicing. I always recommend this channel to anybody that is where Igbo is not the spoken language, even people that are where Igbo is the spoken language. Keep practicing. See you next time. Jingles with Oidia.